just pull out Cipla and just observe the stock for a minute before I go to Varsha. The intraday chart has seen how Cipla has seen a bit of a jump in the stock price post the numbers. And just to give us this context, let's go across to Varsha. Varsha.
Thank you, Harsh. So actually good set of numbers from Cipla. Let's start it from revenue. So revenue growth was expected at 5%, but it came out to 7%. But the single digit revenue growth that we are seeing, this is because of the weak US sales that Cipla was expecting, and also the domestic growth. I don't have the press release right now, but domestic growth I'm assuming would be steady. Now US sales was under pressure in otherwise seasonally strong quarter. This is because of decline and because of the price erosion and also the temporary lower offtake of one of their cancer drug. The management had already informed about supply disruptions in this product, which was expected to normalize in Q4. Also, if I were to talk about the EBITDA, so strong EBITDA margin. So EBITDA margin was expected around 25-26%, but margin came out to at 28%, which is actually on a better side. This is because of the lower cost of material that the company has seen. Now the net profit is up almost 48%. Now there's a one-off here because last year Cipla had an exceptional loss of rupees 194 crore. So we already had a low base last year, and this is the reason we are seeing the net profit is up almost 49%. Overall, if key things that we should be watching in a press conference at 3, one is the approval and launch timing of their products from the Goa facility following their regulatory clearance, and the launch timeline of their oncology drug Abrixent, and also outlook on the recovery of their lanatroride, because of which the US sales was low. So the outlook on that will also be the key things to watch.
Very interesting, because we've seen margins do very, very well, and they're holding up when you're looking at it sequentially as well. Maybe the highest or the second highest margin clocked in at least 3 years. Thank you so much for that perspective, Varsha. Of course, we'll watch out and we'll keep you updated with regard to the commentary coming through where Cipla is concerned. But